Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see how to install LAMP stack on Rocky Linux 8.6. LAMP is an abbreviation for Linux Apache MySQL PHP. It is an open source web development platform that uses Linux as a server operating system, Apache as a web server, MySQL as a relational database management system, and PHP as the object-oriented scripting language. First, I am going to check the installed version of OS. Rocky Linux 8.6. Now I am going to install the Apache web server. The installation of Apache Web Server is completed. Now I am going to enable the Apache Web Server service. Now I am going to start the Apache Web Server. Now I am going to install MariaDB server. The installation of MariaDB server is completed. Now I am going to enable the service of MariaDB. Now I am going to start the service of MariaDB. Now I am going to make the MariaDB server secure by using MySQL secure command. It will be asking for the root password. Enter your root password here. It will be asking for set password. Press Y. Yes. Enter your password here. Remove anonymous user. Yes. Disallow root login remotely. Yes. Remove test database. Yes. Reload privileges tables now. Yes. Now I am going to install PHP prerequisite modules. The installation of PHP prerequisite module is completed. Now I am going to make .php extension. Save and quit. Now I am going to restart my Apache web server. Now go to your browser. Search here your IP server IP address info.php. By this, the installation of LAMP on Rocky Linux 8.6 is completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.